look at your savings account right now and tell me what you would get back on it. It's probably 0.0000000001%.
Old school, new school, need to learn up. Old school, new school, need to learn up. Old school, new.
Hey y'all, welcome back. Hey, just want to do a quick video. Actually stopped doing haul videos. One, because hey, the world was like locked down, so we're really kind of getting a lot of inventory doing online arbitrage over the last couple of months, and and I'm kind of trying to switch our model a little bit, where we're kind of doing more bulk buy stuff versus kind of the one-offs, but still love going thrifting. Actually got out this morning and went thrifting. Actually hit the thrift, Ross and Burlington. Like I said, I got a little ring route that we do. So really, I just want to share what the haul for the day. I actually want to get some some content for the YouTubes there. So hey, without no further ado, I got my bags right here. So before I start processing and going to my spreadsheets and kind of throwing in the prices and everything, I just want to do a quick video. So without further ado, so picked up Wii game party, $3. I only really picked this up because right now we have count today that I'm about to get to, but we'll have 4 Wiis that we need to get listed, and I always like to just sweeten the deal, kind of throw either accessory or a game with those consoles. So Wii party. And then it's trying to be proactive also, as we see these cases going back up. Who knows if we get if certain states, as we see in Florida and then Texas, get starting to get locked down again. You might see the same pattern of a spike in people looking for in-home entertainment there. All right, yeah, all right. So I said it. So got a whole Wii. I got to go through it, but it has everything. Got 2 controllers. Got the nunchucks. And it actually has 2 of the wireless and the IR sensor. So I'm gonna have one of my kids just go ahead and test this out, make sure everything works. Hopefully there might be a game in there, because a lot of times when you get the Wii's from the thrift store, people leave games in there or digital games on there. So we always check that out, make sure everything's working before we list it. So so definitely good. I'll give you the price. So this was our 50% off day at the thrift that I go to. So paid $20 for all this. So some people parcel things out in here, but I'm probably just going to go ahead and sell it as a package deal. All right. So let's pick up 2 of these. I forgot what they called. But you put the little characters on there and they do the in-game thing. So really, these was pretty cheap, $2 each or whatever. So that's to kind of sweeten the deal of the Wii packages. I picked up a couple of these little portal things that go with the Wii, and little like not amiibos. Is it amiibos? The amiibo characters that go in there. So yeah. All right, so that's that bag. Picked up these and I normally wouldn't have because of the size and everything, but these look pretty new. These are some fuzzy wuzzy slippers or whatnot. It was in the case, so I didn't even look it up. I just looked at the price and told them, hey, put it behind there, and then I'll get them on my way out or whatnot. So I just gotta look up the comps. Like I said, there's only $15. They look like they were never worn. I'm still gonna list them as pre-owned, obviously. But I only paid $15. Hopefully, kind of flip these, maybe $40 or so. But like I said, I haven't looked at the comps yet. I was trying to kind of be a little bit fast today. Trying to just go out the house, and I didn't want to be out there longer than 2 hours. So just pick these up. Uggs, kind of strap little fuzzy slipper thingamajigs here. So that's that. All right, what else we got? All right, just picked up a Hollister sweatshirt. So normally the mall brands hit or miss. Obviously if I buy something like this, I'm anticipating on holding it for a while. Only paid $5 for it, and it's an extra large. Normally my Hollister sweatshirts normally go fairly quickly or whatnot, but like I said, good condition, good size, and good graphics. So hopefully just get a good ROI on this sweatshirt here. All right. So I didn't do it. When I think about it, I didn't do any kind of research today. I just kind of grabbed and go today. So hey, take a chance or whatnot. I kind of went out with my energy wasn't up this morning, so really just want to get in and get out. So we have Merrill Barefoot. Paid $5 for these. So just gonna list them in, see if they sell. Like I said, it doesn't take up a lot of room. I got full kind of racks, and I got racks on the other side here to kind of throw used shoes on. So really clean these up, put them on. They got vibrant bottoms, and see what we can get. $5. Hey, you flip it for 25, etc. Now a lot of people say, "Oh man, that's not a lot of profit, right?" So I always, this is my thinking of it, right? If I was to put $5 or $10 in the bank in a savings account, look at your savings account right now and tell me what you would get back on it. It's probably 0.1% or something like that, right? So if I could just throw $5, $10 or something real quick and double up on that, even within a couple of months, hey, I'm beating the bank's rates. I'm beating the bank rates every day, right? Right. All right. All right, so got another Wii console, and like I said, $20. This one doesn't have the full up, kind of thing. So I have some Wii parts, so I might just make it a full kit, so to speak. But I got the got the nunchuck. So always try to have the nunchuck with these things, because some of the Wii games you need the joystick and the nunchuck. So when you try to get these Wii's, make sure at least, even if it's only one controller, it has the controller and the nunchuck. Yeah, obviously you need the IR sensor for the motion, and then and like I said, hopefully there's a game in there, and you might or a digital game on there already, and you can offer that up when you do your listing. So like I said, so that's another Wii. I've been slacking on these Wii's. I think we got 4 Wii's, so I just need to go ahead and list these, get these listed. And watch Gary Vee, so I always go in there and just grab that's mug life stuff or whatever. So Purgatory, and then you got Snow White here. So I can't see the bottom, but like I said, these was like 50 cents a piece, so I just picked them up. And I normally just pick them up. This is like a collection type thing or whatever, right? Alright, so that's thrift store. Got in there, probably was in there for like a half an hour, and then just dipped out. My thrift store opens at 8. Try to do about 45 minutes in there, and then my Burlington, which is about another 10-minute ride away, it opens at 9. So went to Burlington. So my Burlington, I don't know if yours, but my Burlington is no longer doing 50% off sale there, which was a bummer. I'm glad I did go last week, because I picked up for myself. I got a suit, and then I got a couple items from there last week also. So, but today they had a lot of cleats. But when I looked at the cleats, they were lacrosse cleats, and the ROI of them wasn't too good. And I didn't want to go out today and spend a gang of money. I really just wanted to, it's really just kind of a routine type trip today. So I picked up actually 2 pair of these. I just think with 4th of July coming, let's pick up these 2 pair polo polo shoes. And like I said, the price was sweet. There's only $11, so hopefully flip these, probably flip them for like 40 or whatnot. And like I said, with the pattern and with the 4th of July coming up, I gotta get these listed fast. The 4th of July coming up, hopefully I can kind of get these off. So I picked up 2 pair of those, and that was really that's Burlington right there. Like I said, dipped in. Now they was no longer doing the 50% off, so dipped in, see what they had, grabbed those, and then I left. So finally went to Ross. First in line. Ross is here. They don't open till 10 o'clock. So normally I try to be going back home by 10. If I leave the house maybe 10 minutes before 8, thrift store Burlington, then I swing back around and then hit the Ross up. So got to the Ross and picked up 2 pair of shoes there. So got these that's a pair of New Balance, female New Balance here. Normally I wouldn't get these because the size are pretty small. I think they're 6.5 women's, but the price was right. I didn't even look at the comps. Like I was grabbing and going today. So these was only $20. So I figured, hey, if I at least double up, even though it got comparable price on here, $80. So when I do the research, I'll see. But I should be good to go and get my money back. Size, I might have to sit on these for a little while. But we'll see. But like I said, I think there's a pretty good design. So I'll go from there. All right, and then so I'll walk through the men's 2 times and didn't see anything. But then I came back again, and then magically these were there. So pair of Air Max, and actually my size. So I was like, but I don't like these. I don't like these here Air Maxes or whatever. But I was like, if they don't sell, I'll probably put them on. If they don't sell in 2 weeks, I'll probably just keep them for the personal. Yeah, but like I said, $50, and I looked at the comps on there, and I've seen them selling for as much as $150, and it's a good size, a size 9. So definitely, I think that's probably the find of the day there. And then so really that's my day. Gonna try to keep doing. I'm gonna find a format for these these haul videos that's a little more structured, so to speak, or whatnot. But like I said, I say time is money, so I try not to be, I'm a part-time reseller, so I'm not worrying about, kind of reselling. This is really bringing in extra income. I don't worry about it to pay the bills and do things of that nature. So really, I always say time is money. I don't try to be out in the streets a gang of times. So if I'm out for 8 hours, that's might as well work a job. Might as well work a part-time job, right? So I try to get out. I try to be out maybe 2 to 3 hours or whatnot on a Saturday morning, and then I still have the complete Saturday to do, what I do. Make sure these things get listed, enjoy the day, enjoy Sunday, and then back to work on Monday. So definitely always think about your time. I always think about my time in the aspect of money and the ROI on my time. So obviously with these products here, I probably I should get some good ROI, but I got to get these things listed also, right? That's the problem I'm having right now. I'm kind of above my supply chain. I got items, in death piles that I need to get after. And also, like I said, we kind of switching our model a little bit to a lot, more online arbitrage, so we can buy in bulk. But hey, appreciate it. Enjoy your weekend. Think we hit $400 this week, so we'll do a video on that, on what sold, coming up, and we'll probably drop that tomorrow. So double salute. Enjoy your day. Enjoy your weekend, and we out. Peace.
I did it, you could do it too. You need to don't be afraid.